Of course, we can get severe weather this time of year.
Sure.
Could get some later today.
It is, yeah. It is.
Watching that.
It's certainly possible. We've had the chance over the past couple of days, and so far we've been pretty lucky. But there is still a low threat that we could see some severe storms in parts of the state later this evening and into tonight. We're going to talk about July so far. Well, July in Oklahoma, a typical July for us. Now, the hottest temperature that we've ever seen in Oklahoma City is 110 degrees. It's been hot lately, but it hasn't been 110 degrees hot. The last time that happened was back in 2011. The coldest temperature, 53, 1971. About this time, that actually sounds pretty good, right? The average amount of rainfall is just under 3 inches. We haven't quite had that much. In fact, for the month, we've only had about 3/10 of an inch of rain. The least amount of rain, though, was back in 1983, and that was just a trace of rain. We are not going to be anywhere near that, I promise. And the most tornadoes was 13 tornadoes back in 1979. Now, it has been hot lately, but it hasn't even been 100 degrees yet this month in Oklahoma City. That has not been the case, though, for parts of the state. We're talking 6 days at 100 degrees or above in Enid, and Guymon 7 and 10 just north of that. So we've been pretty lucky here in central Oklahoma. Showers and storms, not so lucky. We need the rain. Unfortunately, most of it is now off to the north and east, right around Tulsa. Tulsa's been picking up quite a bit of rain with this storm that's been moving through. Some thunderstorms just south of Tulsa. Here in Oklahoma City, things look to be pretty quiet. We're seeing lots of sunshine out there right now. We have a shower that's going up just north of Prague, and that's very weak. It's not going to amount to a whole lot at all. And then down south, we have a few light rain showers around Comanche County and then just south and east of Lawton. But that's going to fall apart here pretty quickly as well. It looks like a very light rain shower around Payne as well. But that's pretty much it. Now, over the past 24 hours, we've almost picked up about a half of an inch of rain in Tulsa, but the rest of the state, not much at all. So we certainly could use that rain. But we're just seeing lots of sunshine out there right now from my Air Comfort Skycam network. It's certainly hot. It's 87 degrees, but it feels more like 93 after factoring that humidity. Dew points in the low 70s, and the wind's really not providing a whole lot of relief. It's out of the south, sustained at 17 miles an hour, gust up to about 25. We're at 85 degrees in Stillwater, 87 in Shawnee, 93 in Kingfisher, 92 degrees in Watauga, many of us in the 80s and low 90s. Now, where it has been raining, it's just 78 degrees in Tulsa and 73 right now in Miami. Dew points, it's humid across the state. We're all kind of dealing with the low 70s, a few mid to upper 60s here and there, especially in the far north and west. After factoring in that humidity, it already feels like 97 in Enid. It feels like 89 degrees in Ponca City, 93 in Ada, and 94 down in Durant. Here's what's going on. We've got that south wind. It's breezy all across the state. We've got a frontal boundary out to the north and west. It's stationary right now. It's not going anywhere. But behind that, we do have more of a northwest wind between about 15 to 20 miles an hour. Satellite and radar showing those showers and storms moving off to the east, not really doing a whole lot for most of the state. Just a few showers mainly around the Tulsa area. Here's the big picture. The jet streams to the north, the ridge of high pressure down to the south and west, and out around this high pressure, we're going to have little pieces of energy move through, bringing us at least a slight chance here and there of some showers and storms. So for today, the chance is very low this afternoon in Oklahoma City. Better chances will stay off to the north and east. A very slight chance to the south and southeast as well. Temperatures today will easily climb back into the mid to upper 90s to around 100 degrees out ahead of that boundary in the far north and west. Overnight tonight, skies become partly cloudy. Temperatures dropping into the mid to upper 70s to possibly only the low 80s in far western Oklahoma. Now later tonight and tomorrow morning, we're going to have a boundary out to the west. It's going to be a dry line, and out ahead of that, we could possibly see some showers and storms form out ahead of it and make their way into western Oklahoma. So that's where we have a better chance of seeing those storms. And if that does happen, there is a possibility they become severe with 60-mile-per-hour gusts and golf ball size hail. And then tomorrow, we're back in the mid to upper 90s to lower 100s, a slight chance out west, a moderate chance in the north and east. So for today, just a very slight chance that we do get any showers and storms, especially later on this evening. Better chances to the west. And then for our Wednesday, lots of sunshine. It's going to be another hot day. Temperatures in the upper 90s, and we're going to stay in the upper 90s for quite a while. So this heat's not going to go anywhere. Chances for rain are going to remain slim, but at least they are there.
At least there are a few chances. Someone's going to get lucky.
Someone
hits the jackpot.
Probably.
Okay. Thanks, Cassie.